Hello guys, we can see that today's CSS battle in the daily target. Here it is, a MacBook window. So let's start the video. At first we start the stopwatch and let's begin with a body of background, this green or whatever it is, and it is the main div. I am going to name it M and margin should be 0 in body, and place items center and display grid. Okay, now it's done, and let's change the color to visualize better the main div or the main box, and let's change the width and height. Width must be 240 and 50, no, 60 is 260, and height must be 180. And maybe we can do that. This top one we will create the box, then give it to the padding. Okay, so now 160, yes, 160 looks better, and 20 pixel down, 40 pixel, yes, and we'll give the padding of 20 pixel. 20, no, 10. Okay, 10 looks good. And border radius now 25 pixel, no, 15, 10, 30, 40 is getting too much rounder, 10 VW, or maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, 5 VW, perfect. And then this is a, let's do a div, and there is 3 color, or maybe I can create just one. Okay, I can do before after also. Okay, let's use before after. Of before position of absolute, and this one is position of relative, and the position of it is top 0 and left 0. Width is going to be 20, aspect ratio of 20, background is which one, this one. Oh, this one is background color. Oh, this one, where we can't see 0 index 2. Let's change the color to red. No, what I'm doing wrong. Oh, aspect ratio 21, height of 20 pixel. No, it is not going to create any issue. Oh, I am not giving content. Content is going to be empty. Now it's visible. oh my god. Then top is going to be 10 10, right? And border radius 50%. Now it's look good. Now I'm going to use box shadow of y-axis is going to be 20 pixel 0, and the color is going to be this one, and this one 30, right? It's 30. And now 30 and 60, and the color must be this red one, and it's done. And now what we can do is we can use before and after also. That is, let's try it by using before. After, let's change this to before because this is in front. Content is going to be empty. Position of absolute. Top is going to be 10, 20, 30, and right is going to be 10, and width must be, let's start with the top one, and width must be 60 pixel. Height is going to be 20 pixel. Background yellow one, and let's now top value I have to change to 40, 50, and width should be 80, and it's perfect now. And now box shadow y-axis is going to be 30 0, 30 pixel of this red one. What will happen if I just give 10 pixel? Okay, then 0 and 10 pixel, 10 pixel, not work. Okay, then let's just create another one. Minus, oh, okay, it's working. 30, 40, right? Yes, it's done. And now let's do the third one, 60 pixel, and this color. And now again copy and paste with minus 60 pixel. Okay, 70, right? No, 80, yes, looks fine. It's time 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's hit submit. This one was very easy without using any flex or something. Yes, 100% match. And thanks for watching, guys.